In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw and place objects with the perspective grid in Adobe Illustrator. The perspective grid is a powerful way to make artwork look like it belongs in real space, whether you're laying out a street scene, a building facade, or text receding into the distance. We'll move step by step so you can follow along confidently. First, turn the grid on, go to the View menu, choose Perspective Grid, and click Show Grid. If you like shortcuts, press Shift plus Ctrl plus I on Windows or Shift plus CMD plus I on a Mac. The grid will appear over your document, showing guides and vanishing points that help align your artwork. Next, choose the perspective that matches your scene. Go back to View Perspective Grid and select 1 point, 2 point, or 3 point perspective. 1 point is great for looking straight down a hallway or road. 2 point works for corners of buildings where two sets of lines recede. 3 point adds a vertical vanishing point, useful for dramatic up or down angles. Pick the one that best fits your layout before you start placing objects. Now it's time to draw in perspective. Select the perspective selection tool by pressing Shift plus V. Look for the small plane widget on your artboard. It lets you choose which plane you're working on, left, right, or horizontal. Click the plane you want active. This tells Illustrator which direction your shapes should follow, so their edges automatically line up with the grid. Place your objects by dragging shapes or text onto the active plane. As you move them, they snap into perspective automatically, so edges and angles match the grid. You can create shapes first and then drag them onto a plane, or draw while a plane is active and they'll conform as you go. If something isn't snapping, confirm that the correct plane is selected on the widget and that you're using the perspective selection tool. If the grid doesn't match your reference or composition, adjust it. Use the handles on the grid to resize or reposition it until it lines up with your scene. Moving the vanishing points or horizon line will change the angles, helping your artwork feel grounded and realistic. Make small adjustments and keep an eye on how your objects update as the grid shifts. When you're finished, hide the grid so you can view the artwork cleanly. Go to View, Perspective Grid, and choose Hide Grid. Your objects will keep their perspective even after the grid is hidden. That's it. Turn on the grid, choose a preset, draw on the right plane, place your objects, adjust